Today we're going to replace battery of this because it's already dead. There's no indication of light that's turning on. And now we're going to replace with a new battery. Battery replacement, the PS3 controller replaced with a new battery pack. Let's do this. We're going to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to open up the PS3 controller. This is the old battery. We're going to replace with the new one. We're just going to remove this PS3 controller. That should be removed. Gently pull this. Gently pull this out. The connectors been removed from the now this is the new battery. Connect it here. Made by Toshiba. Its processors in it. Its connector. Just cleaning out the dust. After we test it, we're going to charge it first to fully charge the battery and try to the PS3. Let's try this later after we we'll just charge it for 5 minutes so we can use the controller. After charging it for a minute, now we're going to test the controller if it works. See, that blinks on, indicating that the PS3 controller is working. Now it's ready to play. Thanks for watching this PS3 controller battery replacement. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Peace. The PS3 controller is good to go and it's ready to play. Thanks for watching, guys.